Hello my queen, and welcome to Les Belles de Bene, a space dedicated to the development, encouragement, and empowerment of African women. In this series, which will include 20 videos, we will talk about love, faith, and fulfillment in African couples. In previous episodes, we talked about gratitude, trust, romance, and mutual support. Today, we will discover an essential key to building a strong and visionary couple, sharing common goals and building couple projects. Marraine, a couple that moves forward together toward common goals, strengthens, supports, and grows in love and complicity. Shared dreams unite and give deep meaning to your relationship. The first point is to understand that shared goals and projects are the glue of a couple, because they make you walk together in the same direction. Here's how to create common goals in your relationship. Step by step. The first point is to openly discuss your respective visions, dreams, and ambitions. Listen without judgment and value each other's aspirations. The second point is to identify common short, medium, and long-term goals. For example, buying a house, traveling together, launching a joint professional project. The third point is to establish a concrete action plan. Define clear and realistic steps to achieve your projects. The fourth point is to mutually support individual initiatives that contribute to the common project. Encourage and celebrate each milestone reached. The fifth point is to regularly reevaluate your projects and adjust your strategies together. Here are some practical examples for sharing goals and building projects as a couple. The first example is to create a joint vision board where you write down your dreams and goals. The second example is to plan a monthly meeting to track the progress of your projects. The third example is to celebrate each small victory. A step toward a common goal deserves recognition and joy. The fourth example is to support individual initiatives. For example, if one follows a training course or starts a project, the other actively encourages it. The fifth example is to pray together for the success of your projects. And for the blessing of your couple, put your hand on your heart, Marraine, and repeat this declaration times with me. Repeat it this time in a row to build an ambitious couple. Say this: Lord, guide our steps in the construction of our common projects. Fill our couple with vision, unity, and shared success. I declare that our dreams and objectives bring us closer, strengthen us, and bless our home. Amen. Today, my queen, I invite you to plan with your partner a common goal to achieve this month. Then come tell me in the comments, which project have you chosen and how do you plan to achieve it together? And if this video inspired you, subscribe now. Like the video and share it with another African woman who wants to build solid and fulfilling couple projects. Together, my sister, we form a community of visionary and loving reindeer. May God bless you. And see you very soon.